Hello and welcome to a very quick video where I'm going to show you how to print on tissue paper. Once you've printed images on tissue paper, you can then use it for many arts and crafts projects, including decoupage. Today I'll be printing butterfly images, and if you want to print the same image, you can find it via the link in the description box. In order to follow along, you're going to need some regular A4 printer paper, some tissue paper, a glue stick and a pair of scissors, as well as an inkjet printer and a computer. The first step is to take a regular piece of A4 printer paper and apply glue from a glue stick all around the edge, like so. I've seen people use various types of tape for this instead, so just choose what you prefer. Then place a sheet of tissue paper over the top and press down onto the glue. Try and make the paper lie as flat and as smooth as possible. Your tissue paper likely has a shinier side, and this should be placed face down. Then cut off the excess tissue paper so it's the same size as the printer paper. And then you just print straight onto this paper. I printed using the standard quality setting, and then I left the ink to thoroughly dry. When you leave it to dry, make sure you leave it on top of another piece of printer paper, just in case the ink bleeds through. Note that it is best if you have a printer that has a rear feed for thicker paper, so that the paper isn't being curled around the rollers. Once the ink is dry, you just cut around each of the images to release them from the printer paper. You'll notice that you can see the image just as well on both sides of the paper, and that's because the ink has gone all of the way through. And that's it, that's how you print on tissue paper. I really hope you found this useful, and thank you very much for watching.